So you're out taking a walk today with your family, and a dog or a cat comes up and your child wants to pet it. Be careful. Dog or cat bites can be very problematic with infection. Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Ciccarelli. Stay tuned for this episode of Medical Moments. So what do you think is worse, a dog or a cat bite? Let's talk about each individually. Dog bites tend to look worse than cat bites, for sure. Dogs tend to grab and tear, and the nature of their teeth allow the skin to tear in a way where it looks more ragged and it looks like a more destructive injury. Whereas a cat bite doesn't look as bad initially. Cats tend to have sharper teeth. Their bite, therefore, is more piercing and doesn't look as bad initially as a dog bite. Both of these bites require care on your part. Initially, you should thoroughly cleanse the wound with soap and water. Secondly, there's no harm in allowing the bite to bleed a little bit. The blood will actually wash out some of the bacteria that was injected by the teeth. However, if you have a pumping wound, you need to apply compression immediately and seek immediate medical treatment. Lastly, you should cover the wound with a bandage because you don't want this wound exposed to the air. So back to the original question, which is worse, dog or cat bites? In my experience and what research shows, that cat bites are much more likely to get infected than dog bites. However, you should realize that whether you get bit by a dog or a cat, you should seek medical treatment for several reasons. One, you certainly want to prevent infection, and either a dog or a cat bite could get infected. Two, if you're not up to date on tetanus shots, you'll probably have the recommendation of getting one. Thirdly, if it's not your dog, you don't know whether this dog or cat has rabies, so you may need to be tested for that. So just remember, the next time you want to pet that dog, be careful, you just never know.